Did you know that unregulated AI can lead to massive financial losses for your enterprise, and that implementing AI governance can increase your profit margins by up to 30%? This shocking truth has led many business leaders to question their AI strategies and seek solutions to mitigate these risks. In this episode, we will delve into the world of AI governance and explore its importance, benefits, and provide a step-by-step guide on how to implement it in your organization. As we begin this journey, it's essential to understand that AI governance is not just a technical issue, but a business-critical one. It requires a deep understanding of AI systems, their capabilities, and limitations. It also demands a strategic approach to AI policymaking, implementation, and monitoring. In the next section, Host B will dive deeper into the world of AI governance and explore its benefits and challenges.
Thank you, Host A. As we explore the world of AI governance, it's essential to understand its benefits and challenges. AI governance is a critical component of any AI strategy, and its benefits are numerous. It can help enterprises increase transparency, accountability, and fairness in AI decision-making. It can also help mitigate risks associated with AI, such as bias, errors, and cybersecurity threats. However, implementing AI governance can be challenging, especially for enterprises with limited resources and expertise. In this section, we will delve deeper into the benefits and challenges of AI governance and explore some real-world examples of enterprises that have successfully implemented AI governance. We will also discuss some common challenges that enterprises face when implementing AI governance and provide solutions to overcome them. As we move forward, Host A will discuss some of the controversies surrounding AI governance and explore some of the criticisms and concerns that have been raised.
As we explore the world of AI governance, it's essential to address some of the controversies surrounding it. One of the main criticisms of AI governance is that it can stifle innovation and creativity. Some argue that over-regulating AI can lead to a lack of competitiveness and innovation, as enterprises may be hesitant to invest in AI due to the regulatory burdens. Others argue that AI governance is essential to prevent AI-related risks and ensure that AI systems are aligned with human values. In this section, we will explore some of the criticisms and concerns surrounding AI governance and discuss some potential solutions to address them. We will also examine some real-world examples of AI governance in action and discuss their implications for enterprises and society as a whole. As we move forward, Host B will discuss the future impact of AI governance and explore some of the trends and predictions that are shaping the industry.
As we look to the future, it's essential to understand the impact of AI governance on enterprises and society as a whole. AI governance is not just a technical issue, but a societal one. It requires a deep understanding of AI systems, their capabilities and limitations, as well as their potential impact on human societies. As AI continues to evolve and become more pervasive, AI governance will play an increasingly critical role in shaping the future of AI and its impact on human societies. In this section, we will explore some of the trends and predictions that are shaping the industry and discuss their implications for enterprises and society as a whole. We will also examine some real-world examples of AI governance in action and discuss their potential impact on the future of AI. As we conclude this episode, Host A will provide a call to action and summarize the key takeaways from our discussion.
As we conclude this episode, it's essential to summarize the key takeaways from our discussion. Implementing AI governance is critical for enterprises that want to increase their profit margins, mitigate risks, and ensure that their AI systems are aligned with human values. It requires a deep understanding of AI systems, their capabilities and limitations, as well as a strategic approach to AI policymaking, implementation, and monitoring. If you want to learn more about AI governance and how to implement it in your organization, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We will be releasing more episodes on this topic, including interviews with industry experts and real-world examples of AI governance in action. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest episodes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Like and subscribe to our channel now.